Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you Gundruk jhol with Sidra Macha, and it's very simple to prepare. So let's get it started. To prepare a Gundruk with Sidra Macha, I have this Gundruk and I have Sidra Macha, and I'm also going to add soybean seeds but mass, and then one medium-sized tomato, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and 1 small size chopped onion. And for the masala, I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt for the taste, and 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, and 3 dry chili, and mustard oil to prepare this, and water in a pan or karai. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Then add methi seeds, so I will add this dry chili, and then add soybean seeds, then I will add onion, then add this dry fish, Sidra Macha, and tomato and ginger garlic, and add all the masala. Mix it. I'll cover this, and in a low flame I'll cook this until the tomato becomes soft. So let's take a look now. I cooked this about 2 minutes, and now the tomato is fully cooked. So I'm gonna add this Gundruk. I have taken here Tauriko Gundruk, mustard Gundruk. You can take Raiko Gundruk too. Mix it nicely. Now add the water. I have added 2 cups of water. So now let it be boiled. Now our Gundruk and Sidra Macha jhol has boiled so nicely. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.